Real estate giants DLF has dismissed all allegations that it gifted Robert Vadra interest-free loans and sweetheart deals on a series of apartments in Gurgaon. The developer said its deals with Robert Vadra were totally transparent. No quid pro quo was involved to help DLF get vast tracts of land in states like Delhi and Haryana where the Congress is in power. In a detailed statement, it said, and I quote, DLF vehemently denies any quid pro quo in its transactions with Mr. Vadra and his group of companies. Mr. Vadra purchased one apartment for his personal use in Aralyas in September 2008 for 11.9 crores. The alleged figure of 89 lakh rupees as total purchase consideration is completely incorrect. The allegation that 7 apartments in Magnolias, that's another DLF property, were sold for 5.2 crores is completely baseless. This was only the booking amount. DLF has given no unsecured loans to Mr. Vadra or any of his companies. There is no question of acquiring the said properties from DLF loans, let alone selling Mr. Vadra or his group companies' property at a throwaway price. Well, DLF in fact made the point that Arvind Kejriwal had confused the booking amount for 7 flats for the total money paid and that the complete amount was much more than 6 crores for each flat, in fact. Well, as DLF made that statement, we asked India Against Corruption activist Manish Sisodia on our program India Decides at 9 what their reactions now were after this point-by-point rebuttal. Here's what he said.
It's not a question of Vadra. There were other competitors. There was a bidding process, which everybody seems to believe is the only way forward in this country, right? And they seem to have won. So how have you flung these allegations without verifying these facts?
ये मैं हिंदी में सोचता हूँ इसलिए हिंदी में अपनी बात रखूंगा।
जरूर बताइए।
दिल्ली में, हरियाणा में, राजस्थान में ऑल ऑफ ए सडन सब कुछ इतना फेवर में आ गया उनके कि उन्होंने जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डाला सीडब्ल्यूजी में उनको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलने लगे, दिल्ली में जमीन मिलने लगी, 1000 कितना वो वर्गज है उसका प्लॉट उनको 1 करोड़ में मिल गया, उसके बाद राजस्थान में उनको जमीन मिलने लगी। सारी जगह अचानक ये सब मेहरबानियां होने लगी डीएलएफ पर, सब कुछ सारे ठेके वो जीतने लगी, सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स उसको मिलने लगे।
Manish Sisodia, you're wrong over there because DLF has said one more point. They've said that a lot of the properties which were acquired have been acquired over the last 25 years. Robert Vadra was not in the scene acquiring property over 25 years.
हो सकता है उनके स्टेटमेंट को हम अभी देख लेंगे कि क्या-क्या उन्होंने बोला है, किस-किस तरह के दिए, उस पर बाद में रिएक्शन करेंगे क्योंकि एक बार मुझे उनका पूरा स्टेटमेंट समझना पड़ेगा किस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में उन्होंने क्या बोला है। लेकिन ओवरऑल आप ये याद करिए कि 2007 में डीएलएफ के शेयर 57% डाउन चले गए थे और ये तब था जबकि स्टॉक मार्केट पूरी तरह से बूम पे था। उसके बावजूद और उसके बाद डीएलएफ के साथ में रॉबर्ट वाड्रा साहब के ये सारे जो भी हम बात उठा रहे हैं ये सारी चीजें होती हैं और उसके बाद डीएलएफ का मार्केट रेट भी होता चला जाता है, उसके बाद उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स भी मिलते चले जाते हैं। तो ये सारी चीजें जैसा अरविंद भी बोल रहे थे कि सवाल रॉबर्ट वाड्रा से भी है लेकिन उनके साथ साथ डीएलएफ से भी और उन सरकारों से भी है कि वो अचानक इतनी इन पर मेहरबान कैसे हो गई। ये सवाल तो सरकारों को जवाब देना पड़ेगा और हमारा असली सवाल तो फिर सरकारों से ही है।
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.